So I've talked a lot about the N55 engine and its oiling problems, but I did not talk about the variable rate oil pump itself and what the academic research has to say about it. Now, the pump we're talking about is this style of pump here, which is known in academic circles as the pendulum-slider oil pump. Now, there is formal peer-reviewed research on this oil pump, probably lots of research, but I'm going to select one article, The Potential Fuel Savings of the Controlled Pendulum Slider Pump. Now, this is a paper by Jensen and these people, and you can look this up on Google Scholar or just using a web search, and you can pull this paper out, and it's $43 for someone to download who does not have academic access, which is not too expensive. The last page of the article gives this information here, where you can see the differences in performance for different conditions. So here this figure is converted into miles per gallon from liters per 100 kilometers. And you can see that the maximum difference between these figures is about 0.6 of a miles per gallon. Now, 0.6 of a miles per gallon is not actually noticeable by most people who are doing regular driving around the city. Also, the difference in power is negligible. You will not notice a difference in acceleration or top speed of your vehicle one way or the other. The main reason for the variable rate oil pump is if you've got millions of cars on the road, that the combined fuel saving of all of these cars is large on a national basis. So this is why the variable rate oil pump is important. However, if it's going to cause your engine to seize up on the highway and you're having to be towed and your engine having to be overhauled for $10,000, then of course it is not worth it to have variable rate oil pumps. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video.